It's okay.
You're okay, little boy.
Hello, friend. It's okay. Yeah. Hi. Everything is okay. Nice and easy. You're still wrinkling that mouth at me, aren't you? Yeah. Shh. Nice and easy. It's okay. You're doing so good, baby girl.
Such a good baby.
She's such a lovely girl. She's such a lovely girl. Such a lovely girl. Such a lovely girl, like a little snow queen.
Inside the building she's on, she knows where home is.
Always.
She knows, yeah.
She doesn't go to any stranger's door. She goes to
Nope, she
her
goes to
door.
Her door.
Good girl. Good girl you are. You're so good.
For a senior, it's a dream come true.
Yeah.
No, everyone was so nice. Kara and Amanda and Chris
They're
and you.
fabulous. Yeah.
And I just thought it was all done really well.